All right, what's up, everybody? So today, because I hate myself, I decided to buy 3 blaster, I think they're called blaster boxes, of 1819 Upper Deck Series 1. I think Elias Pettersson's the big prize in these, but I figured, you know what, it was a nice price to get a nice lot, so let's open up a couple of them today. We are getting 10 packs a box, 5 cards a pack. Holy crap. Comes up this side. It's been a long time since I've done this. Each get an oversized young gun in each of these as well. See who we got here. Oh, no way! Not Elias. Oversized jumbo young gun of Elias Pettersson. Alright. Maybe my luck's turning around. Holy crap. Alright. We'll take that. It's kind of bent, but we'll take it. We'll take it. Alright. First pack. What we got? You know, I've watched pack openings on YouTube for the longest time. I said, you know what? I kind of want to do this. So we're going to give it a try. So, we have Kyle Turris, Nick Bjugstad, Samuel Montembeault, Young Gun, Andre Palat, and Morgan Riley. Sorry, can't see that. Our second pack here. I also have 4 boxes of 1920 Series 1 that I have yet to open. Here we have Eric Johnson, Christian Dvorak, UD Portraits of Jake Gensel, Andrew Ladd, and Sergei Bobrovsky, Bob. This one. We have Logan Couture, Pekka Rinne, UD Canvas of Aaron Ekblad, very nice, Ben Bishop, and Brady Shea. You know, this has not been a bad box so far. That's the best thing I've ever gotten out of a blaster box. Is definitely a McDavid Young Gun, but that's about the only thing I've ever gotten that's good out of a box. All right, we got my favorite, Patrice Bergeron, Dustin Brown, Mike Smith, Brandon Saad, and Cam Atkinson. All right, good stuff here. I have not opened packs in a long time, so this feels good. Feels really good. Travis Konechny, Clayton Keller. Oh, Miro Heiskanen Young Gun Canvas. That's nice. I like that. That's a good one. Antti Ranta and Blake Wheeler, former Bruin. Next pack. We start off with Jordan Eberle, Mark Borowiecki, I think, Marcus Pettersson, not the good one, Hayden Fleury, and Ryan Getzlaf. No offense to Marcus. I don't know. I doubt they're related, but hey, what can you do? Now, what's that? This pack number 6? I think this is pack number 6. I think this is a 3-part series. So we'll start off with Braden Holtby, the Bruin Killer, Nikita Zaitsev, and a Victor Hedman Shooting Stars insert. Very nice. Thomas Chabot and Brendan Gallagher. 3 more packs to go here. Aaron Ekblad again, Riley Smith, OEL, Oliver Ekman-Larsson, Vladislav Nemesnikov, and Colin Wilson. I apologize for the shadows. I'm doing this at my school desk, and I I'm not exactly professional. Next pack. Second to last here, I have Jimmy Howard, Jordan Stahl, Shane Gostisbehere, Danton Heinen, and Tanner Pearson. Now, as the Bacon Country lovers say, last pack of the day. Come on. Have Ryan Johansson, Mitch Marner, Adam Henrique, Leon Draisaitl, and end off with Ivan Provorov. So pretty decent haul. Obviously with the Elias Jumbo Young Gun, got the Miro Canvas Young Gun. So all in all, not a bad haul at all. Not bad at all. Got the Shining Stars of Victor, Marcus. This is a nice one. Awesome. Well, thank you all for watching. Leave a like, comment if you like what you see, and maybe we'll do some more of this. This is part 1 of 3 for this series. I'll probably end up opening the 1920 Upper Deck on the channel as well. So thank you so much. Have an awesome day.